Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can block advertising from your Android device without using any application. These steps are really necessary to follow. Please don't skip any video of this, and after this video you successfully can block ADS from Android devices. Okay, nowadays advertising are most disgusting things to watch and they are harsh. Okay, so how are we gonna do that? Okay, first go to your settings, scroll down and go to your Google service. Click on all services and tap on ads. So here in this section tap on delete advertising ID. So deleting advertising ID is the first step, so I'm going to delete advertising ID. So I successfully deleted my advertising ID. So the second step is changing the DNS. Okay, so in the search bar search for DNS, tap on private DNS, click on private DNS and make sure that you change it to a private DNS provider hostname and enter like is dns.8guard.com. So click on save. So this is how you can block advertising from Android phone. And if you find this video really helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.